So hello and welcome back to our channel. So we have decided that to publish full pre-tutorial of AutoCAD from beginner to pro level. So I am starting with the introduction of AutoCAD. So AutoCAD is a widely used computer-aided design software program developed and sold by Autodesk company. It has been an essential tool in various industries including architecture, engineering, construction, manufacturing and more. So the software name AutoCAD is a combination of Auto and CAD, where Auto stands for automatic and CAD stands for computer-aided designs. Here's an introduction to the key elements of the AutoCAD user interface. So first one is the ribbon. So the ribbon is a horizontal toolbar at the top of the AutoCAD window featuring various tabs and panels that provide access to tools, commands and features. It's organized into contextual tabs such as home, insert, annotate and more, making it easier to find and use the tool relevant to your current task. So second is application menu. The application menu, represented by the red A icon, is located at the upper left corner of the AutoCAD window. It provides access to important features like creating new files, opening existing ones, saving, printing and customizing AutoCAD settings. So next one is going to be quick access toolbar. This is a customizable toolbar at the top left corner of the interface, offering shortcut to frequently used command. User can add or remove button based on their preference. So next is drawing area. The large central area of the AutoCAD interface is the drawing area, where user create and edit their drawing and models. It's here that you will see the grid, coordinate system and your 2D or 3D design. So fifth one is going to be command line. The command line is a text based input area at the bottom of the interface, where you can type command and options. AutoCAD provide at a rich set of command to perform various operations, and you can initiate most of them by entering their names or using shortcuts. So sixth is tool palettes. The tool palettes provide a convenient way to access blocks, hatches and other reusable content. You can drag and drop items from the palettes into your drawings. So seventh one is properties palette. The property palette displays the property of select object, allowing you to view and modify their attributes such as layer, color, line type and more. So next one is layout tab. AutoCAD support multiple layout tabs which are used for setting up and printing different views of the drawing. Each layout tab represents a sheet of paper. So next one is the status bar. The status bar at the bottom of the interface display important information like coordinates, object snap, model space, layout and more. It's customizable to show the tools you use the most. So that's it for today's video guys. In next video we will discuss about basic tools, that how to draw lines, fillets, camper and various types of tools in easy way, so anyone can understand it very easily. So that's it for today's video guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking, sharing and subscribing for more exciting tutorial. Thank you for watching.